how to use Adobe Scan app. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Adobe Scan app. So now your scanner is in your back pocket. No more piles of paper or cramming your wallet with receipts. The free Adobe Scan mobile app works on your mobile device as a photo and document scanner, which creates PDFs and automatically recognize text. So for that you have to scan the QR code to get the app from here, or you can just download Adobe Scan from your Google Play Store or Apple Store if you are using an iPhone. And after that, you can scan documents in a snap. So with the Adobe Scan app, easily capture and convert documents, forms, business cards, and whiteboards into high quality PDFs, and with different capture modes along with automatic boundary detection, or you can get the best scans every time. So first of all, you need to open your Adobe Scan app from your phone, and after that you have to click on the camera option, and you just have to take a photo of your document which you want to scan, and just click on the camera capture option, and whenever you capture it, it will automatically detect and make it a PDF for you. So you can do more with your scans. You can add with Adobe Scan allows you to add drawings or shapes with markup tools right in the app, save files as JPEGs for more flexibility, and incorporate them into documents. You can share scans with a link or email, or upload them to your favorite cloud apps. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.